To truly understand how math shapes our world, we need to transform raw numbers into something we can physically see. This brings us to the core engine of geometry, the number line. This elegant, endless straight axis ensures that every single coordinate or mark maps perfectly to a specific, unique real number value. To construct this grid, we must choose an absolute baseline anchor point. Mathematicians call this designated starting mark the origin. It is labeled perfectly as zero, serving as the launch point where all geometric scales and tracking routines begin. From this stable center, a perfect symmetry emerges. If you slide outward along the right side of the origin, you enter the zone of scale acceleration, home to all positive numbers. But if you pivot and descend down the left side of the line, the framework completely mirrors itself into the sub-zero territory of negative values.